guys, yes, I'm Kristina from Leafyluster. You know what's dangerous? Writing a plant wish list and then discovering the Ecuagenera Mother's Day sale. Well, I've got my package. I might have splurged a little bit. It's quite big and a little bit heavy. It is my first time ordering from Ecuagenera. I only heard good things about them, so I thought I'd give it a try. It's also my first time importing plants, which is exciting, but this can also go terribly wrong. With importing, you always have the risk of plants arriving rotten or dead or dried out, whatever you name it. It could happen, so that's a risk you need to be aware of. I also get a few wishlist plants in here, so I'm double excited. My gosh, it's so big! I've got my tools and I'm more or less ready. The funny thing about Ecuagenera is that they have a shop in Europe, Germany as well. They ship the plants from the original shop to the one in Europe, and then the European shop is sending them out to the customers here. If you ordered from Ecuagenera recently, let me know if your plants arrived well or not. If the process of sending them to the European seller is just better for us customers, I would love to know. The moment of truth. Okay. Packaging is nice. Plants are also wrapped in some foil, and then there is paper inside. Okay, so let's unpack it together. I'm so excited. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, I'm so afraid and excited at the same time. This is unreal. I hope they're fine. When you order an import, it takes quite long to arrive. I think I waited like a month, which is totally fine. It's actually a pretty good waiting time in my opinion. But in this time, you forget what you ordered. So it's kind of a surprise while unpacking all of those. I know like 1 or 2 plants that I'm really excited for because they are my wishlist plants. But the other ones I kind of forgot. This one is really wet. They do come with little name tags and a plant passport. The phytosanitary certificate is also included in the price. They do everything for you, so I don't have to go to customs. Oh, this is very nice. When I peek, guess what it is? It's a begonia. Number 1 on the list is the Begonia maynensis. They typically don't have a lot of begonias on the website, but I saw this one, it looked kind of special, and I was very worried if it would travel well. There are like 2 or 3 kind of dead leaves on there, but begonias are super easy to propagate typically. I'm not worried at all that this plant like wouldn't make it. The stem is quite firm and thick, if you can see. It has a very silvery, glittery surface. I just wanted to try it out, you know? I think it's nice. I do want to check the roots. So inside the package there is some soil directly wrapped. So it's not even bare roots. Let's move on to plant number 2. If you have seen my wishlist video, you would know that I wanted to get a few more Hupertia. In this case, a Lycopodium goeblii. Let's unpack this baby. Yes! This plant is so cool! Do you see this? Oh, it's even better than I imagined. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay. Oh my god. Do you even see this? Hello? What I like most about this plant, now seeing it in person, is actually the color. So it has this really cool needle-like leaves, but it is like a super pale bluish green. I have never seen one in real life, so I didn't actually know like which color it would be, but this is amazing. I'm in love. Oh my gosh. This is perfect. I cannot. Okay, only downside, the root ball right here seems pretty heavy and pretty wet. I'm in love, you guys. Oh, that's amazing. Okay, moving on. Now I'm hyped. 2 out of 6 plants are already a win, so I'm pleased. It's going well. All remaining plants are actually Anthurium. Ecuagenera is known to be a big seller of Anthurium. Let's unpack this one. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, it's great! Okay, the condition of the plants is amazing. I don't know if it's like straight out of the original import or if they do a little bit of like rehabbing or acclimatization in the European plant shop, but the plants look amazing. They don't smell weird. And also, check out this. There are new roots growing in here. Okay, this is a Anthurium arisaemoides, but oh my gosh, it's beautiful. I bought this one kind of spontaneously, but I really did like the leaf shape. It's like a triple leaf. It's slightly corrugated. That's amazing. That's a really cool plant. I don't know, is it Christmas already? I'm very pleased. Next one. Okay, this next one is super exciting. It's a Anthurium cirinoi velvet, and on all of the pictures that I've seen, it looks amazing. Really pretty plant. Ooh, okay. As you can see, it's not in perfect condition. The leaf is melting a little bit. I will cut off all of the damaged pieces, I think, but all in all, it looks pretty good. It feels sturdy still. Yes, I like it. Look at this beauty. Even though the leaf is a little bit damaged, it's absolutely gorgeous. The old leaves are holding up pretty well. I guess they were more hardened off, probably. The newest leaf, which is also the biggest one, it's super velvety as well. I have like a soft spot for the long boys, so next one will be quite exciting. Yes. So this plant wasn't doing as well as the other ones, I would say. We have quite a bit of this damage on the leaves. It's rotten, it's kind of mushy, and this will probably all die off. There's also some of this damage on here, but we have 4 healthy plants as well and a new one on the way, which looks kind of healthy so far. The leaves are much more sturdy than I thought. They are super leathery, like really leathery, and I dig it. I dig it. So my velvety pallidiflorum will have a long boy brother soon. The last plant is pretty tall. Also a wishlist plant, so let's get to it. This is the Anthurium microphyllum that I mentioned in my wishlist as well, and I can't believe I have this plant now, and it is beautiful. Yes, it's gorgeous. I would say it's in perfectly healthy condition. The stem is really firm. I think it lost like the newest leaf coming in. All of the old leaves are perfectly fine though. The leaves are pretty sturdy as well. They also have like a leathery but still matte surface. Well, I'm blown away by the plants, especially this one. I think I love it even more than I thought I would love it. It's like, it's love at first sight. I am finished with the unboxing part, but it's not over yet because I need to care for those poor stressed plants now. I don't think any of these plants are really thirsty, so there's no need to water them or anything. I will just leave them in their little baggies. Tomorrow I want to take them out and just put them with their own little soil into a pot, just so I can observe them a little bit better. I'm so happy. Is there a better feeling than unpacking new plants? I don't think so. I'm so hot right now. I'll see you tomorrow, guys.